नहीं पिया।
तो आज है शिखा भाभी का बर्थडे और प्रतीक भाई कुछ प्लान किए, ये प्लान किए हैं। तो मैं हूँ, ऐसा जगह है तो क्या होगा, अच्छे अच्छे सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स आएंगे, देख लो।
In the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
So, कैसा लगा लोकेशन? मस्त ना? So, हेलो, वेलकम गाइज। नाम तो पता है देवाशीष, काम पता है, ट्रैवल व्लॉगिंग, ट्रैवल सिनेमाटोग्राफी, फिल्म मेकिंग सब करता हूँ मैं, लेकिन ये मेरा मेन जॉब नहीं है। प्राइमरी जॉब और कुछ है, लेकिन मैं ये पैशन के लिए करता हूँ और मज़ा भी आता है। तो यहाँ हम बहुत देर चिल कर चुके हैं। पीछे हमारे टेंट्स हैं और ये लेक है। वहाँ पे येलो कलर में भाभी दिख रही है। भाभी का कहाँ गई? भाभी का बर्थडे है। प्रतीक भाई अभी फ़ोटो शूट कर रहे हैं और अब निकलेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग को पहुँचना है। कहाँ पहुँचना है मैं रास्ते में आपको बताऊँगा। बाइक पे मिलते हैं और मैं बताता हूँ हम लोग एग्जैक्टली कहाँ जा रहे हैं। मैं स्क्रीन को देख लिया, काम चला लो। तो यहाँ का कार्यक्रम हुआ ख़त्म। अबे यहाँ का कार्यक्रम हुआ ख़त्म। पूरा स्पीति वाला फील ले लिया है। देखो इतना सारा लगेज बंधा हुआ है और मस्त चल रही गाड़ी। ठीक है, चार्ज पे बैठी है मोबाइल। अब बैठना बैठ भी गए, कोई टेंशन नहीं। तो बेसिकली आज हम जा रहे हैं कोडानाड। कोडानाड कोटागिरी के आसपास है। तो अभी हम लोग ऊटी के आसपास हैं एंड ये लेक जो था ये ऊटी के बहुत करीब है। तो बेंगलोर से जो ऊटी का रास्ता है वो मैं ऑलरेडी दिखा चुका हूँ मेरे जो सोलो राइड वाले ब्लॉग में। वो ऑलरेडी चैनल लाइव है वीडियो, आप लोग जाके चेक कर सकते हो। आई बटन पे आ रहा होगा या फिर मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा। हम लोग करीब 1 घंटे दूर है अभी कोडानाड से और लंच हम करेंगे 5 बजे, शाम के 5 बजे। ये हो गया है, तो हम लोग का आदत पड़ गया है 5 बजे लंच करने का। और ये है चमचमाती हुई GS 310 नहीं प्रतीक भाई की। तो इसका डिलीवरी वीडियो भी मैंने डाल दिया है, वो चेक कर लो। आई बटन पे आ रहा होगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा। और ये देखो भाई साहब, क्लाउड्स पूरा वैली में घुस रहा है। मज़ा आ गया देख के। ये देखो भैया, ये देखो वो हवा का झोंका होता है ना जो क्रॉस कर जाता है, वैसे ही ये बादलों का झोंका क्रॉस कर रहा है। और अभी हम ऊटी की गलियों से निकलते हुए तो ये जो रास्ता आता है ये जाता है डोडा बेटा पिक की तरफ और ये जाता है कोटागिरी की तरफ। तो कोटागिरी के पास है कोडानाड। सो कोडानाड जो जगह है ये ऑलरेडी मैंने एक बार मिस्टिक ट्रेल्स के ग्रुप में विजिट कर चुका हूँ मैं ऑलरेडी। उस समय मैंने ब्लॉग नहीं किया था, तो इस टाइम मैं ब्लॉग करके दिखाऊंगा एग्जैक्टली प्लेस कैसा है। तो आप लोग अगर नया बाइक मिल गया तो खुल नहीं रहा यार, बुला दे रहा बाइक।
I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, this tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up.
अरे आपको पकड़ नहीं पा रहे, क्या नया बाइक लिए हो, आप तो भगा रहे हो, नहीं पकड़ पा रहे भाई।
लग रहा था कि तू वीडियो देख के सोच रहा होगा कि अनी के साथ ज़्यादा रह रहा हूँ मैं आजकल। अनी और शोएब की आत्मा आ गई।
तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ब्रेक लिए। अगर आप आ रहे हो कोटागिरी या कोडानाड तो इस बेकरी पे रुक के खाना है, क्या टेस्टी है, बहुत टेस्टी है,
बहुत टेस्टी,
बहुत टेस्टी,
बहुत टेस्टी,
बताओ,
बहुत बढ़िया,
बहुत बढ़िया। क्या मसाला चाहिए या केक या रोल वगैरह जो भी है,
सब कुछ ही सही था,
सब कुछ सही था। आगे ट्राई
I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it up. Now that 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Bobby. Happy birthday to you.
बहुत ही मस्त क्रीमी हो गया एकदम.
हाँ बाकी निकाल के अपने आप खा लो. बहुत ही केक लक्ष्मी ने मंगाया है. थैंक्स लॉर्ड लक्ष्मी. केक भी मिलेगा आपको. यू विल गेट केक. थैंक यू. नॉट ओनली थैंक्स यू विल गेट. विल गिव यू केक आल्सो. डोंट वरी.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up.